This weight loss meditation includes subliminal affirmations. It is extremely relaxing and is a powerful addition to your weight loss journey. Loop this video to listen for a 30-minute session. Do not drive and listen. Listen in a quiet place while sitting or lying down. Now, let's begin. Sit or lie down in a relaxed, comfortable position. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice it rhythmically going in and out. Feel your body begin to relax. I now realize that my body is beautiful at any size and weight. I will intuitively eat when I am hungry and intuitively stop when I am full. I will no longer worry about losing weight. Weight loss is easy for me. My weight loss is at a healthy and steady rate, thanks to my new diet and lifestyle. My body will change as I lose. I have a plan to lose weight and keep it off. 1 pound every day, 1 day at a time, I can change my habits permanently. My goal is to change my habits for a better life, not just to cut down on the number. I want to lose weight because I truly love and respect myself. I value the gift of life I have been given, and I want to live my best life. When I lose weight, I will be able to do more, so I will get more out of life. Losing weight is about me becoming a better person, not about making other people happy. I'm losing weight for myself. Because I care about myself, I am careful about the ways that I use to lose weight. Because I don't want to get fat, I don't do fad diets or starve myself to lose weight. I do not need extra body weight for protection. When I'm having fun, it's easy for me to lose weight. This is why I select fun ways to lose weight. I stay active by going to classes that are fun and easy to follow. Just as soon as I want to eat healthy, I try new recipes that are tasty and healthy. My weight loss plan needs to be safe and fun for me to follow each day. I make long-term changes to my eating habits and exercise level so that I can enjoy them for a long time. I slim down and keep the weight off. I'm healthy and strong. For me, it's important to be healthy. I love my body, and treat it well. Self-care helps me live a long and healthy life. It's something I want to do. I'm getting rid of negative thought patterns about my body, so that my body can naturally get thinner. I adopt healthy habits that I can keep up for the long term. I'm ready to let go of my perception that losing weight is difficult. I'm letting go of all my negative thoughts about achieving my goal weight. I keep an eye on what types of food I eat, and make sure I get the nutrients I need. When I'm hungry, I eat enough to satisfy my body. Nourishing foods make me feel full, so I eat less. I eat at least 2 servings of vegetables each day. Water is good for my body. I drink plenty of water every day to stay healthy. Doing yoga and Pilates, I lose weight and build muscle. I turn the TV off and move around more. I ask for help when I need it. People I know and trust help me. I join online groups, where I can share ideas and get support. I try to find other ways to deal with stress. When I'm angry, I go for a walk or listen to music. I don't feed my emotions. I make sure I can deal with setbacks and have game plans in place for them. If I overeat one day, I try to make up for it the next day. Every day, I make decisions that help me stay at a healthy weight. I eat slowly and with thought. I like to be active. I make sure my mind and body are in top shape.